Welcome to Royal Mining Elite Platform. After launching the application, users are presented with a modern and intuitive interface designed for easy navigation. New users can create an account through the registration page and instantly access the platform dashboard. Royal Mining also includes a 30-day free trial, allowing users to explore the platform and its core features. The dashboard provides a complete overview of account activity, including balance information, earning statistics, active hash rate, and mining performance. In the mining plan section, users can browse available plans and compare different hash rate options. The wallet section provides quick access to account balances and transaction history. Additional sections such as earnings, referrals, settings, and support are available directly from the navigation menu. With its clean design and professional layout, Royal Mining offers a streamlined experience for managing all platform features from a single dashboard. Thank you for watching.